guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute, but don't worry, I came back good. I got something good for y'all. Okay, so I was actually able to catch Jada's Wayda's sale for Waydamin. Y'all know, I don't know what it is, but y'all know whenever she drop them pieces go by so damn quick. It don't make no sense. So but this time I was able to catch it by just like the skin of my teeth, y'all. But I got 5 pieces, one of them which is a set, but the set is sold separately. But I'm gonna show y'all together clearly. And I got one accessory, which is a hat, and that's the first thing I'm gonna start off with. Let me get my phone so I tell y'all the names of everything and I don't make no mistakes, because we not here to make no mistakes, okay? So like I said, I'm gonna start off with the accessories, and well, the accessory, and that's gonna be the hat. So we have the Waydamin Terry visor. This is how it looks right here. Okay, boom. So this is the texture, the color. It is super cute. And then it has these adjustable clip things in the back, and I like that it's the clip-ons. And then here you go, I'm showing y'all all the details. There we go. I'm trying to show y'all all the details, like her print, everything is there. The hat feels so good. Like, it feels soft. The hat feels so good. It feels soft. Like, I have no complaints. I can't wait to wear this, y'all, with like a little tennis skirt. Yeah, I have a whole like outfit in my head, like, period. Jada really ate, like, she be eating with all her drops, and I don't got no complaints about none of them. But I be trying to catch the pieces, but damn, I be sleep. And the girls is fast, but baby, I be trying to be faster, and it really don't be working out for me. But this is the second piece right here, and this is the terry textured print romper. Now with this romper, I got a size extra small, and I weigh 120 right now. I'm gaining weight, but I weigh about 120. And I'm telling you, I should have gotten a small instead of an extra small, because of my thighs, and my thighs are a little thick for my body. So, you know, the cootie area is kind of just a tiny tight, but it's not like tight where I'm suffocating, but it's fitted. That's what I would say. It's real fitted. So get your size. It does have a ounce, like maybe an ounce of stretch in it, but I love it. I feel like if I gain a lot of weight, I could always get the side adjusted or something like that, because baby, I'm not giving this up. I'm like, y'all gonna see in the try on section that I'm posting, right? I'm not giving this baby up. Like, it is so cute. And again, I'm gonna give y'all up close. Hopefully y'all see, yeah, up close, see the texture, and y'all see the detailing in the buttons. I think like this is a real cute idea. Like, the buttons that she put on there, like, I think that's absolutely smart. I don't know what it is. And if y'all could see in the try on part, like, my boobs, that's another reason why I should have gotten a small, because I have titties. I don't have big boobs, but I have enough titties for my size and my body, and my body type. I didn't fart, try that was my finger in the wall. But I have decent titties for my body type, because I did get my boobs done a couple years ago. So the top does not close fully, which I don't mind, because I was going to show my titties anyway. Like, I paid for them to show them off, and that's exactly what I'm finna do. My fault, y'all. My camera was disrespectful and cut off for me, talking about it didn't have enough space. I had to delete stuff. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not here to fuck around. So we gonna get through this before it tell me that again and we have a problem, because I'll be in here tussling with this camera. Okay? Alright, so the next piece I'm gonna show you guys is the Terry Waydamin button up cover up. I believe that's, yeah, let me see. Yep, I'm right. So it's the Terry Waydamin button up cover up, and that's the next piece I'm gonna show you guys, which is right here. I would say a sweater, a button up sweater. And I got this in what, a extra small. I got this in a extra small. Let me show y'all on this side so y'all can see the thing right here. But this is the color, this is the texture. Like, y'all, it's like, it feels so good. Like, it feels so good on your skin. Like, it feels like you spent a lot of money for it, even though you got it on a sale. That's what it feels like. And like I said, I got this in an extra small, and like you see, you're gonna see it on me. It fits, like, it looks kind of like big, but it's not big. I like how it fit because I kind of wanted like a bigger look on me, but I didn't want to get a medium because that would have been way too big for me, because I'm not that big in my top area except for my titties. So this is something you could wear now in the winter, in the fall, spring. Like, as long as you dress it up, you can wear that out how you want to. Now the last two pieces I'm showing you guys is a piece that I said is a set, but it is sold separately, okay? And it's the top is the utility crop vest, and the bottom are the utility pants. I'm gonna show you guys separately on here, but in the try on part, clearly I'm gonna have it on because it doesn't make sense to have like two dudes. I'm getting tongue-tied, y'all. It doesn't make any sense to have, you know, two separate try-ons when it's really a set. Duh. Like, make it make sense for real. But this is how, oh yeah, I'm gonna just say y'all, but this is how the top looks. This it's a crop sleeve. It has these adjustable things on the side where you can make it a little bit tighter for your liking, or loosen it up depending on how, you know, how you're built on your upper level of your body. And the zipper does go up all the way, but like I said, I like to show my titties because I like to show my titties, so I'm definitely gonna have that out. And I got the top in a small, and I believe I got the bottom in a extra small. Now I should have gotten the bottom in a small just because it may be longer. So if you're short like me, I'm 5'3", and you're gonna see that it doesn't really touch all the way to like the top of my foot. I like my pants and stuff like that to just land on the top of my foot, but it don't do that. But still, it's cute. It's very cute. Oh, and let me show you guys the detailing on the back of it as well. So it just says "wait a minute" right here. Real cute, real simple. And warning, it is very see-through, so wear the proper underwears, wear nipple pasties if you need to, but it's see-through. Like, it's see-through. That's the only, I wouldn't say it's a con because I like it. I like the fact that it's see-through. I wear like a cute little thong, whatever, but I'm just letting you guys know, you know, ahead of time. And the bottoms right here, they also have the adjustable thing on the side, and you can see right here that it's stretched. So like I said, this is a real smart idea, and I love the silver on here. I feel like she picked a really cute stuff for it. And it also has it has 3 pockets. Does it? Yeah, it has 3 pockets, so there's no pockets on the side. It just has the Wait a Minute brand in the back right here. And then, you know, the 2 pockets right here, and then 2 pockets on top of those 2 pockets, but the 2 pockets right here zip. And, you know, everything pink, period. But I loved all these pieces, and I'm definitely gonna shop again because Jada really has some good quality pieces, right? Like, I'm not playing no gas and no nothing. These pieces is really hitting. But thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. My camera's about to end, so I'm going to end it out right here. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me which pieces y'all like the best, which ones you guys are going to buy. If you bought them already, let me know what y'all think. But again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye.